Okay, good evening, my fellow people of Nigeria. In fact, this message I dey vex na south, southeast, southwest, Benue and Plateau and southern Kaduna now I wan talk to. No be say I want instigate violence o, but I want make people just think back small. Na be my message wey I wan talk so. You know say my pidgin not too good o, but una go understand, una go forgive me. Okay, now for 27th of August 2001, dis Fulani Buhari, una remember wetin e talk? E say e go continue e go continue for im mind. E get total commitment wey Sharia movement go sweep all over Nigeria. E don say all over north o, e say all over Nigeria. That was 27th of August 2001. If una like, una go check una paper, una go see am. I no dey talk lie. Now, this man when he enter power, he say he belong, wetin he talk? He say I belong to inauguration speech. He say I belong to everybody and na for nobody. Abi no be so he talk? So wetin come dey happen now? Who he come belong to? He belong to Nigeria abi he belong to Fulani nation? Una remember o. This man na grand patron of Fulani nation. When dem make am president and they make that in short devil brother wey be El-Rufai, governor of Kaduna state, dem invite all Fulani for Niger, Fulani for Guinea, make dem all come, say their papa and their brother don be president and governor now. All of them begin dey come, and all of them come. And useless politician wey we get for south, wey we get for southeast, wey we get for southwest, all those sellers, make God go punish them, punish their children. Wetin dem come do? Dem come say una come, make we introduce you to cattle business. But inside their mind, dem get wetin dem wan do for that cattle business. These foolish people ask them say, una wan introduce us to cattle business, where we go come get we people for south, we no fit, dem no dey follow cow na, dem no sabi rear cow. Dem say make una no worry, we go find people for you. And dem come go find all these Fulani. Before dem find these Fulani, in fact, these people sef, dem dey call them Ngboro. Una understand? The good Fulani sef dey fear them. Dem dey call them Ngboro. The good one, some good one Fulani, dem dey fear these people. Dem come go look for them. Dem come tell them say, una see where una dey stay. Una brother country Nigeria na place wey una suppose to stay. So as una wan come now, come dey help these people wey no get sense, dey take care of their cattle or their cow, una make sure say una kill anybody wey stand for una way. And una brother dey power, una go kill them. Dem no fit do anything. Before dem do anything, we go send them money. We go send their leader money. We go send their leader cow. You know say dem sabi eat nama, dem sabi eat cow. Na cow dey like, so dem sabi eat am. So once we give their leader nama, we give their leader big cow, dem give them money, dem go talk their people. But wetin we want o, na we dey tell you people now. Wetin we want, that is among these Fulani henchmen o. Wetin we want take over Nigeria. As e go work? Na only kill dem go kill. E no go work for them. And if I wan look am, I no blame them. We get minister for agriculture. Wetin be im name? Where e come from? He say im name na Audu Ogbe abi Ogbe. I no know where e come from. whether na Auchi o, abi na Benue, abi na South o, abi na Edo man o, I no even know where e come from. That disgrace useless man. Fear, e no think of say what una mean by cattle colony. E no fit answer am. Instead e say make dem give dem cattle colony. You know wetin be cattle colony? Una try am. Una give dem one land, una give dem how many 50, how many acres una wan give dem? No be their business. No, by the way, why we dey eat this na? Why we dey eat cow? Why we dey eat cow for south, southeast, southwest? Just why we dey Plateau, Benue? Why we dey follow dem buy cow? Why market women still dey go buy cow from dem? Now I no understand. People dey kill you. Okay, then because they never kill you, e no reach your place. Una go wan do burial before una papa dey alive. Una no buy cow for am o before e dey alive o. Una no even buy goat o when e dey alive o. All these years wey dem take born una parents dey alive, nobody gree buy cow for dem make dem eat o. Na when dem come die, you go see southerners dem go buy cow, buy two, dem go dey display am. Una fall my hand sha. South, southeast, southwest, Benue people, Plateau, una fall my hand. Why una dey follow dem buy cow? Why una dey eat cow meat sef? Now I no understand. People dey kill my own people. I go still go dey follow dem. Una go still go dey follow dem dey buy cow dey eat. If una dey eat that cow meat as from today wey be 1st of March, na human being una dey eat o. If una dey eat cow meat as from today wey be 1st, all those people wey die, wey una think say dem dey remove pikin from their womb, what una think say dem dey take am dey do? Dem dey give the cow make dem chop? Abi the eye wey dem pluck remain? Dem dey give their cow make dem dey chop. So na human being na una dey eat. Make una dey buy am. Una dey buy am. Fish don finish for market. Abi goat don finish for market. Abi turkey don finish for market. Chicken no dey market again. Dry fish no dey market again. What of some people wey be say for their countries, people place like India wey dem no dey eat cow meat, wey dem no dey eat cow, wey dem dey worship cow? Dem no be human being? I no just understand my people for south. I no understand my people for middle belt. I no understand their mentality. Just common civil defense, I no fit do am. Disobedience, I no fit do am. But na send signal to this blood-sucking Fulani herdsmen say they cannot come to your place, kill you, and still be buying cow from them. It's not possible. If really we want to say something, both the cement we go put hold for now. Nobody go build us for now. Send message to that Fulani useless opportunity beggar that countryman Dangote, wey be say that monkey man Baba Yabo give only him power to dey sell cement. We go stop. Nobody go build us for now. Anything from the north we go stop. We no go buy. Apart from Benue, na fit go Benue go buy yam, buy anything from the hard side of the north. Nobody go buy am. Just simple disobedience. They no fit do am. Very gullible southern people. May God punish those southern politicians wey we get. When dem dey there, we elect for the. I know they come Nigeria. Wetin I wan come do for Nigeria? I no get papa for Nigeria. I no get mama for Nigeria. E just dey pain me. I dey vex. I dey wait for una. I dey wait for una one by one. When una strike come abroad, now peace now go put for una body. Peace with my menstrual period. Now I think Buhari dey happy now saying his son don get, his son don heal. Your only son don heal. No worry. Another dead body go die. Na person go bury am. No worry. Make it come out, make it come speak. Then before we go know say e dey well. Let Yusuf come out and make speech. You think say God go forgive you? All this one wey una dey do, all this one wey your Sokoto Caliphate of Sokoto, he say make we not tarnish everybody Fulani, and yet you cannot call your people to action. Governor of Kano say make dem come, all Fulani herdsmen, make dem come back to Kano, go forest, they una no wan hear. Na one cattle Fulani, so that na come spread na agenda of Usman Dan Fodio. How e go work for una? Una say una get by that useless professor. That useless professor wey im name be Mohammed Lamido whatever for Kano. Wetin he talk? He say by right of conquest, Fulani nation have right over Benue. You dey craze. May God punish you. So you wan tell me say for Benin Kingdom now, when we get Benin Empire before, so now all those people Dahomey wey we even fight reach Dahomey, conquer them, we can't go back to Dahomey now say Dahomey na our nation. You dey craze. Una no well. May God punish una. May God destroy una generations to come, as una dey kill innocent people. Especially that minister. Can you imagine all these sellouts? That is why these Fulani people see us finish. Because with the South, we don't have unity. We don't have unity. We dey sell out. That's why. If not, how can a home minister of agriculture say cattle colony? They are coming to take our oil from Niger Delta. And yet they say they have land in the north. They are more than us. They are advertising their land they have in the north. They are advertising everything in TVC. Say they get for north, and yet they are coming to south. To come and take a state from us. We don't say don't come. Oh. Come, give us peace. Una say no. And now that they burn everywhere. May God punish all of you now. May God destroy una generations one by one. As una take kill innocent soul for south. Buhari cannot use all these people surrounded with all these cabals. You people can proclaim IPOB as terrorists. Who then kill? Who IPOB kill? Wanna name one person where IPOB kill for me? Wanna layman? Who IPOB kill? Make the blood of Brafa spill on all over our generation to come and yet to burn up for your fourth generation. Who IPOB kill? Wanna declare them terrorists? What of these Fulani herdsmen now? Wetin they be? They say we should not call the Fulani herdsmen. May God burn una mouth. May thunder fire una. Shall go kill all of you now. Ogun kill you people. Una not worry. As una say south, east, southwest, people in the south will not have peace. You people in the north will not have peace. All of you now go dey fight one by one now. I declare tonight, 1st of March, I declare disunity among all of you. All of you now go dey fight each other now. As from today, no worry. Every 1st of the month, I will be laying curses on all of you. All you people, politicians, who want to come and destroy the South, una take oil, they not do. Now destroy oil for Niger Delta. So that people not even fit buy fish eat. They not see then you have the man to say until oil is finished in the South in Niger Delta, we will not leave. May God, may thunder fire una. May thunder fire una. That useless. I just said that anyway. I not even the people wey believe Lamido, Sanusi Lamido, Emir of Kano. Na people wey believe in you. Me, I live in the north. I work with the Muslims. I work in the Muslim world, and I know how you people think. You people agenda, you create your agenda for the past 25 years. All these things you people are doing was created in 1985. Only say South people, they not feel listen. They don't believe. They don't believe. They don't believe so now fit do this kind of thing. Now go see. All of you now go fall one by one. You people will fall and never regain consciousness. I lay that curses on you people tonight. Nonsense. I beg, my people in the south, my people in the southeast, my people in southwest, my people in Benue, my people in Jos, my people in Southern Kantuna, I sympathize with all of you. The best thing to do to these people, stop eating cow meat. Stop eating cow meat. Let's send message to them. They cannot be killing us and we'll be eating their cow meat. No suya. Stop eating anything to do with the north. Abandon it. Look at how populated the Igbos are. They do not feel go buy innocent motor. They can't buy. They cannot patronize. We cannot patronize our own people. What stop us from patronizing our own people? The way we all rally around to send a GT Bank message. Why can't we do that? Everybody rally up. Go and start buying innocent motor. Go and start buying innocent motor. That is the only person we have in the south that is creative. Now this blood-sucking Fulani Buhari wants to make sure that his Usman Dafodo grandfather agenda is what. How can it work in this 21st century? Well, the what you people are beating, you people will dance to it. By the time it start happening to you, you will start coming to Western world to come and live. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Come. Shall you secretly take your son to Germany? If we can have good hospital like that in Nigeria, then they forbid. Even the so-called ISO rock, you say you people have, your wife came out. There are no even syringe and needle, and yet money is being created. Money is being allocated there, billions upon billions upon billions. Useless human being. May God punish all of you now. All those right from monkey Baba Yabo. May God punish you now. You create all this wahala for us. If you don't make one man, how can you make one man Dangote to be everything? How can you make Dangote to be everything? Now you only want to supply cement. Now you only want to supply rice. You forgotten. You remember? Now remember when Dangote came out and say Obasanjo made me who I am. There was a time I was the only one supplying foreign rice. My foreign rice was even cheaper than the one being produced in Nigeria. Now remember? Now go check video. May God punish Baba Yabo, useless man, the enemy within. Because of you, Abiola. How many people you don't keep because of power, and you are still talking? Look at Babangida. All this leader. Mona, don't worry. Now jet plane. I'm coming with chemical weapon. I go destroy all of you now. Mona, wait for me. 2019 is coming. My southeast, southwest, south. Mona, stay blessed. I beg, tell your people at home. If they don't agree, don't send money to them. Tell them they must stop buying cow meat. They must stop buying cow meat. Any part, the people where they bring this, we will not ever see Hausa party. They say they kick cow. They don't kick cow. Abi, why are we buying cow meat? Why are we buying cow from them? We should stop it. Please send this message to people. Share it. Let them hear. I'm not doing it for propaganda or for me to get view. I'm just telling you people, stop buying cow meat. Cow meat is not even good for your system. It causes cancer of the colon, if you don't know. Cow meat, excess eating of cow meat causes cancer of the colon. Yes, it has been proven. Thank you.